Hello friends, come back with me in presenting level 80. In this occasion, I'm going to show you my antique collection. In this occasion,
I'm going
I'm going to show you my
I'm going to
I'm going to
explain.
explain about the name, time and place where they were bought, material and price. Next, please click my antique collection that are on the table. My television. This is my first television. My father bought it for me when I was two. My father bought it 100,000 rupees in Bandung. A part of television material is made of plastic. My funny doll. I really love this doll. I love it as I love my own brother. This doll is bought in the store by the price of 50,000 rupees. A part of a part of material doll is made of cotton.
Yes.
Ini teleponnya udah ada apa? My bag. This is my beloved bag. It accompanies me going to school every day. It is my mother's gift. My mother bought it in the market. It's quite expensive. Because it's made of original canvas. My old shoes. These are very strong shoes. Although they are worn every day, they are still good. My mother bought them 5 years ago in Cibaduyut by the price 150,000 rupiahs. It is made of cotton. My ball. This is my beloved ball. It is very strong ball because it is made of original rubber. My mother bought it in the sports store in Jakarta. It was 100,000 rupiahs. My hat. My hat is my friend for going to school and playing.
It always covers.
It always covers me from the sunlight. I bought it in the next shop. It was on 25,000 rupees. It is the most comfortable hat because it is made of original cotton. Carriage. This is my toy when I was still. I love it so much because of its funny shape. Unfortunately, some part of it already incomplete. It was bought by mother
In the market.
in the market. It was 10,000 rupees. It was made of plastic. My watch. My watch. This watch is my uncle gift. I really like to wear it. My uncle bought it 120,000 rupees in Bandung. This watch is made of leather and iron. My book. It is a historical book. It tells us about prophet and apostle, life and their journey. My old brother gave me 3 months ago. He said that it was 25,000 rupees. It was bought in Kuitang, Pasar Senen. It is made of very thick paper. My glasses. This is my glasses.
Are you silly?
I usually use it when I'm biking to protect.
These glasses are very
These glasses are very useful to protect my eyes from little insects. When I'm
I
biking,
bought
I bought this. I bought this
this sunglasses.
from shop next to my home. I bought it 30,000 rupees.
These are made of,
These glasses are made of plastic,
so they
so they are safety and light. That are my English presentation. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.